Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Today we start the unit number 7, which is about the linear equations and inequality. First of all, we define what is the linear equation. A solution to a linear equation is any replacement or substitution for the variable x that makes the statement true. Two linear equations are said to be equivalent if they have exactly the same solutions. Means जब आपके पास एक वेरिएबल x दिया हुआ होगा तो आपने उसमें वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. मींस आपने उसमें वैल्यू को पुट करना होगा और देखना होगा कि आपके पास आंसर गिवन वैल्यू के इक्वल आता है या नहीं आता. जैसे कि अभी हम आज एक्सरसाइज 7.1 स्टार्ट लेंगे. उसमें देखिए सबसे पहले सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन 2/3x minus 1/2x is equal to x plus 1/6. अब देखिए सबके डिनोमिनेटर्स को गौर से देखें 3, 2 and 6. फर्स्ट यू टेक द LCM ऑफ 2, 3 and 6 बाय डिवीजन मेथड. जब आप इसका LCM लोगे तो आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा 6. इट्स मीन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 6 ऑन बोथ साइड. जब आप 6 को दोनों साइड्स पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपके पास क्या आंसर आएगा इसका. आपके पास यानी 6 मल्टीप्लाई 2/3x माइनस 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1/2x इज इक्वल टू 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x प्लस 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1/6. इससे ये होगा 3 यहाँ से कट हो जाएगा 2 के साथ. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x 6x एंड 6 1s are and 6 1s are. सो आपके पास यहाँ पर आंसर में जो रिमेनिंग टर्म आएगी ये 2 इनसाइड द 2 जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4x. ये 3x से मल्टीप्लाई होगा बिकम्स 3x इज इक्वल टू 6x प्लस 1. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स 4x and 3x having the same variable x, so when you subtract 4x minus 3x it becomes x, and at the next value which is equalities right hand side 6x plus 1. Now you make such a condition that all the variables with all the coefficient with x variable shifted to the right side and coefficient towards the left side. Now plus 1 is shifted to left hand side and x is shifted to the right hand side, so 6x minus x becomes 5x. Now you have to find the value of x. जैसे कि मैंने डेफिनेशन में बताया था कि आपने x की वैल्यू को पहले सॉर्ट आउट करना है. तो जब आप x की वैल्यू सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे तो you have to divide 5 on both side. After this you get the answer of x is equals to minus 1/5, which is your solution set. Come to the second part. x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. वहाँ आपके पास सिंगल डिजिट्स ये थे. now you have a factor in the part number 2, so you multiplying again 6 because 3 and 2 have LCM 6, multiplying 6 on both side. After this you look at the second step 2 into x minus 3 because there is not a single digit or single number, there are the two term inside the bracket, and minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Now you multiply 2 to the first bracket inside the value have x and minus 3, so 2 multiply with x 2x, 2 multiply with 3 minus 6, minus 3 multiply with x minus 3x, and minus minus plus 3 2s are 6. Students here you see that same values with the opposite sign cancel each other, means minus 6 and plus 6 cancel, and 3x minus 2x becomes minus x, and here is minus 6, so minus and minus on the both side cancel, so your answer become x is equal to 6. So solution set is 6. Come to the third part. 5 into x minus 3 divided by 6 minus x is equal to 1 minus x divided by 9. It means 6 and 9 you have the denominator, so first you take the LCM of 6 and 9. When you get solve the LCM of 6 and 9 you have the LCM 18, so now you multiply 18 on the both side, means if there are 4 terms, there are 3 terms, there are 5 terms, you must multiply 18 or the given LCM with each term. So here 18 multiplied by 5 into x minus 3 divided by 6 minus x multiplied by 18 is equals to 1 multiplied by 18 minus x by 9 multiplied by 18. 6 1s are, 6 3s are, x multiplied by 18 18 आ जाएगा, 18 multiplied by 1 18 आ जाएगा, 9 1s are and 9 2s are. Now 3 multiplied by 5 15 and x minus 3, 18x is equals to 18 minus 2x. 15 multiplied by x 15x, 15 multiplied by 3 45 and 18x. Now 15x 18x और आपकी इक्वालिटी के इस साइड पे -2x है, उसको इस तरफ ले आए तो वो +2x आ जाएगा. सो 15x प्लस 2x आपके पास कितना हो जाएगा 17x, 17x माइनस 18x. सो यू हैव -x -45 इक्वालिटी के दूसरी साइड पे आप ले जाओ तो ये हो जाएगा 18 प्लस 45 कितना 63. नाउ यू हैव टू रिमूव द माइनस साइन विद द वेरिएबल, सो यू मल्टीप्लाई द इक्वेशन बोथ साइड बाय द नेगेटिव sign, so x become positive and -63. So the solution set is -63. All the three parts are simple because they have the denominator single coefficient. But in the part number 4, x divided by 3x minus 6, 2 into 2 minus 2x divided by x minus 2. Now there is a factor as a LCM. So first you take 3 as a common, means x into x minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 2x divided by x minus 2. It's mean ke now you have to multiply 3 and x minus 2 on both sides. 3 is a single table or single coefficient, but x minus 2 is a complete factor. So you have to multiply 3 and x minus 2 on both sides. So 3 into x minus 2, so 3 and x minus 2 cancel. -2 multiplied by 3 into x minus 2, 2x divided by x minus 2 multiplied by 3 into x minus 2, x minus 2 cancel. Here in the first value there is only remaining value x, but here 2 3s are 6 and the bracket value have x minus 2 minus 2x into 3. So x is equal to 6x minus 12 and 2 3s are 6. 6x here is positive and here 6x is negative, so both cancel and you get the answer x is equals to -12. So the solution set is equals to -12. Now come to the fifth part, 2 into x square minus 1. Student, here is the formula which already we had studied in our previous lectures. X square minus 1 means a square minus b. So you open the formula a plus b and a minus b means x plus 1 and x minus 1. In the next step, 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1. It's mean now we have the LCM x plus 1 and x minus 1. LCM means the product of common and non-common. In all the three terms we have the common factor x plus 1, but the non-common is x minus 1. So when you multiply the common and non-common you get answer x plus 1 and x minus 1. So you multiply x plus 1 and x minus 1 on both sides. When you multiply all three terms with x plus 1 and x minus 1, after this the first term have only 2, but in the second term you have x minus 1 and in the third term you have x minus 1, which is equalities. Another side means at the right hand side. So 2 minus x and minus plus 1, x minus 1. So 2 plus 1 3 and minus x इक्वालिटी के दूसरी साइड पे शिफ्ट कर दें, इट बिकम्स 4 बिकॉज ये वाला -1 भी इधर आ जाएगा तो वो +1 हो जाएगा. 4 is equals to 2x. Now you dividing 2 on both sides, तो 2 is equal to x means your solution set is 2. Now come to the question number 2 with its part. Solve each equation and check for extension solution. It's mean के first you have to eliminate, or first you have to solve the square root and find the variable which is given as t, z, x, either variable which is given inside the square root. First you have to calculate the value for x, t or z. When you calculate this value, then you put back for verification x value in the given question. Then you see if your left hand side is equal to right hand side, then your given solution have any number, any coefficient is a value like 0, 3, 4, 5, or if your left hand side after verification is not equal to the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, then their solution set is empty. Now look at the question number 1. Under root 3x plus 4 is equals to 2. Now you have to remove the square root. Square root itself has a value 1 by 2. Square root की अपनी वैल्यू जो होती है वो 1 by 2 होती है. तो जब आप स्केयर लेंगे तो स्केयर यानी 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 एक दूसरे से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव 3x प्लस 4, लेकिन 2 का स्केयर 4 हो जाएगा. अब प्लस 4 इक्वालिटी के दूसरी साइड पर लेकर जाएं, ये हो जाएगा -4, यानी 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Now you have to calculate the value of x, and but there 3 is multiplied with x. When 3 is shifted to the right hand side, then it is divided on both sides. After this you have x is equals to 3. Now for the verification you put the value of x is equal to 0 in the equation or in the given question. As I defined in the definition that you replaced the value of x with the given value. I mean you use the substitution method for this purpose. Now 3 into 0 यानी x की रिप्लेसमेंट 0 से कर देंगे तो 3 0 0 प्लस 4 एज इट इज रहेगा. अब देखिए स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर +4 है